watching this video and where you come from. My name is Mercy Edo. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you may be notified whenever I upload a video. Today I'm going to show you different ways on how you can wear your shirts. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. I'm going to show you 5 ways you can wear your shirt. Style number 1. As you can see, I've unbuttoned 2 of my top buttons and I've left 2, then I've unbuttoned the rest. I'm going to take these 2 parts and tie them. To make it more secure, I tie them another knot. Yeah. Does that look cute? Let's go to style number 2. So style number 2, I'm going to untie it. Then I tuck in my collar. Here. And then button the rest. And I tuck in. You can wear it that way, or if you just like to show off your body too much. I just don't want to show it too much, but you can still button this, but I prefer it that way. Yeah, cool, right? You can still pair it with a belt. Style number 3. I've tucked in my collar, then I've made it pass underneath my arm. So I'm taking this sleeve. I'm going to tie it with this part. To make it more secure, I tie it another knot for more security. Wow. You can still tuck this one. Let me tuck so that you can see, but I prefer it when it's not tucked. Yeah, cute, right? Let's proceed to style number 4. Style number 4. So I've tucked in my collar and I've made it pass underneath my arms. I'm going to take the sleeves, 2 of my sleeves, then I tie a knot. You can leave it that way, or just you can use another knot to be more secure with it. So make sure that this part you are too secure with it, so that when you're in public you just don't jump and the shirt is off. So you should be secure with this part. Make it too tight. So let me show you the back. Cool, right? Yeah, that's style number 4. Let's go to style number 5. I've worn my shirt the other way around. I mean, the front part is at the back and the back part is at the front. Yeah. And I'm going to tie it. So I tied my back. Looking cute, right? Yeah. Let me know which style is your favorite in the comments below, and if you'd like me to do more videos of different ways of wearing these shirts or t-shirts, let me know still in the comments below. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell and join the family.